what's going on everyone, and welcome back for another build. In this week's video, me and my shop apprentice Bear are going to be making a chicken coop. You ready to make a mess? He is. Let's get after it. So kind of skipped over some of me just cutting up my lumber material. So yeah, what we have now is all of our pieces to make the framing for the walls and for the floor. So I'll kind of speed this up and I'll kind of truck through the little frame up process. So with this wall here, this is the side where I'll have my clean out trays. So this wall is actually about 3 inches shorter than the rest of the walls. And that will allow me to, what I'm gonna do is shim up the bottom with some 2x4s. And that'll give me a 3-inch gap between the floor and this wall where those pull out trays will actually slide out to where I can clean the coop out. Also on this wall, you'll see that I'll be doing a double door wall so I can actually open up the whole coop and get in there and do more of a deep cleaning. So now what I'm going to be doing is I've hammered a little finish nail on the inside of my wall. I've got a string going up and around where the trusses will meet. So what I'm doing is I'm going to figure out the slope or pitch of my roof. So now that I have that string line in place, what I'll do is I will take my square and I will butt it up to that nail that I hammered in, which represents the inside of the wall. And now you can see that I've got a 10-12 pitch roof. So that's how I'll determine how to cut the trusses. think that's where we are going to call part 1. Part 2 is going to be putting the OSB siding on and moving the chicken coop to the apartment location. So me and Bear, we're going to take off. We'll catch you on the next one.